everybody, it's Becky from Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today I'm going to show you how to make sugar-free chocolate-covered strawberries. The first thing we're going to want to do is make sure that we really wash our strawberries well. So if I don't drop them all over the counter, I will go ahead and I will add my water and white vinegar. And I do this at a 2 parts water, 1 part vinegar ratio. So I'm gonna have to double this because I did 2 cups of the water and 1 cup of the vinegar, and I'm just gonna do 2 more cups of the water and 1 more of the vinegar. And then I'm gonna just let that sit for 5 to 20 minutes, and that'll just kill any bacteria or anything that's gonna cause mold to grow later, so that these strawberries will last longer in the fridge. So even if you're not putting chocolate on them, it's a great way to do that. But make sure you rinse it thoroughly with cool water so that your strawberries don't taste like vinegar. And so we're gonna set that aside, and then we're gonna dry them thoroughly on a paper towel before we start dipping them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line these all up on my paper towel and just pat them dry with another paper towel, and that'll just get all the moisture off, and I'll pop them back in the fridge so that they're nice and chilled for when I dip it in the warm chocolate. That helps the chocolate set up better. So over here, I'm going to get a 3-to-1 ratio of chocolate. I'm using Lily's sugar-free chocolate chips, but if you don't want sugar-free, you can just go ahead and use regular chocolate chips, and it could be dark chocolate or milk chocolate, whatever you want. But I'm going to go ahead and put those chocolate chips in there, and I'm going to pop it in the microwave for 1 minute so that my chocolate doesn't freeze up when I put the hot water on them. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the microwave and then get boiling hot water, and I'm going to just completely cover my warmed up chocolate chips with that boiling water and just let it sit for 5 minutes. Let it do its work and really melt those chocolate chips for you. Then you can get out a whisk, and after that has sat for the 5 minutes, then we're going to whisk it, and we're just going to start whisking it really well, but carefully because this is hot water. So we're just gonna mix it really well, make sure that all those chocolate chips get thoroughly melted in that hot water, and then you're just gonna whisk it, and it's gonna be for quite a bit that you're gonna whisk it because you want this completely nice and smooth. So if it's chunky, then you're gonna want to keep whisking, and if you've been whisking for quite a while and it's still chunky, that might mean that it needs to be a little more warm, so you can pop it back in the microwave just for 30 minutes and then start whisking again after the 30 minutes. Because you see this right here, it's been whisking it for a while now and it's still kind of chunky. Then that's when I popped it back in the microwave for 30 more seconds, not minutes. And then it's nice and smooth and the consistency we want to dip those strawberries in. Now the strawberries are chilled, so it helps it set up better, and I'm just gonna grab the strawberries by the end, and I'm just gonna dip it and kind of spin it around in that chocolate and let the excess of the chocolate drip off. And then I can put it on my parchment paper here, and then just leave them there and let them set up. And to help them set up quicker, you can put them in the fridge after you're done doing all of them. And if you notice, after you've done quite a few strawberries, you see your chocolate's getting pretty thick again, just pop it back in the microwave for 30 seconds and re-whisk it. And then I think I only had to pop it back in the microwave once, and I did a rather large load of strawberries. So yeah, it does get a little thicker as you go, so just pop it back in, and that'll give you it nice and smooth and able to dip it again. But this is a really easy way to make chocolate covered strawberries, and they are super yummy, and of course these are sugar free. So thanks for watching.